Hello students, this is Varun. Under real numbers, next we will do algorithm. Now what is an algorithm? Actually, an algorithm is a series of well-defined steps which gives a procedure for solving a type of problem. Now let us try to understand the term algorithm with one example. If cost of 15 chocolates is given to us and we have to find the cost of 7 such chocolates, then what we have to do? Firstly, from the cost of 15 chocolates, we will find cost of 1 chocolate by division. Then from cost of 1 chocolate, we will find cost of 7 chocolates by multiplication. We have done this thing in junior classes and this is what we call unitary method. We will use unitary method for such kind of problems. We may have some alternative methods to solve such problems as well, but I am particularly talking about unitary method. In unitary methods, we always perform division, then after multiplication. Means we perform well-defined series of steps. Such well-defined series of steps which gives a procedure for solving a type of problems is what we call algorithm. Now next thing is lemma. Lemma is a proven statement which is used to prove another statement. Sometimes we use the result by angle-sum property of triangles. Sometimes we use the result linear pair. In class 9, we were using the result by using midpoint theorem. Even we use by using central angle theorem. We use these statements to solve some other statement. So these all statements are lemma because these are the proven statements which we are using to prove another statement. We don't need to prove them. We are using these statements to prove some other statements. So such statements are what we call lemma. Next is division lemma. While students in junior classes we have done division algorithm. What is division algorithm? We know that dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now I want to take one example for further explanation. For example, if we have to divide 23 by 7, we know that 5 for the 20 and remainder is 3. Here dividend is 23, divisor is 5, quotient is 4 and remainder is 3, and remainder is always less than divisor. These dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder, they are related to each other by the relation dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder, which we call division algorithm, and we have done this in junior classes. Now the concept of division lemma is developed from here only. So let us see. If dividend is A, divisor is B, quotient is Q and remainder is R, then we got the relation A equals to B Q plus R. And we know that remainder may be 0, remainder may be greater than 0. But remainder is always less than divisor, which is B. So we got the relation that A equals to BQ plus R, where 0 is less than equals to R is less than B. This is what we call Euclid division lemma. So Euclid division lemma defines that, or states that, given positive integers A and B, there exists unique integers Q and R satisfying the relation A equals to BQ plus R, where 0 is less than equals to R is less than B. And how we have reached to this result, I told you here only. While students, in real numbers, sometimes we use the concept of division algorithm and sometimes we use Euclid's division lemma. While using algorithm, we will actually perform division and we'll follow this result. But while using division lemma, we just have to use this result. So in this chapter, in coming exercises, we will be using these things when and as required. Thank you.